What's up, guys? So this is gonna be a little bonus clip. We just saw a pretty good deal on
300E Mercedes-Benz.
no, what was it on?
OfferUp.
It was on OfferUp. This man over here shops a lot, so we found a new car. We're on our way to go get it right now.
We're gonna turn right here, sir.
We're gonna jump straight to it and show you guys the deal. All right, right on, guys. We just picked up a 92 300E. I need some parts for the daily for the 300CE, the bumper, moldings, trans, stuff like that. I might take these wheels and swap them because mine are just, they look like ugly ass snowflakes. But we got the bro's car, pulling it in the 32, as he just said. And yeah, now we just need to strap it up and call it a day. Hey, where are we gonna be putting this chain at?
It's actually gonna get hooked up right underneath. If you look at the bumper, there's this really cool little open cutout.
Right here. I forget how we do that.
Pull it off.
I'm gonna break it.
No, you pop it down.
I'm pushing it down.
There you go.
Oh!
Hey, bro, this fucker's on there tight, right? This ain't gonna move.
Hell yeah! Right on.
What are you doing?
We're using the shoelace.
I need a flathead. Or a flathead. I need a light.
We are using a shoelace to do what to the exhaust hanger?
Hold it up.
To hold up an exhaust hanger. Okay.
If I can reach my fat hands in there, shit.
You want me to use the jack and lift up the car a little bit?
No.
Hey.
It's a missing shoelace.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man.
All right. And we are going to be pulling it with this tow hitch right here.
All right, guys. First attempt. The chain just broke. Not even 20 minutes from the house. We got to restrap it, and hopefully it doesn't break again. So far, attempt number 2. So good. We got. I don't know if you can see after the hazard flash, but Big Bro's back there towing the car. There's no lights, so we don't have any hazards on that car, which is making this sketchy as hell. But we're about 10 minutes now from the house, and let's hope nothing else goes wrong. And we made it, guys. The only casualty, yeah, it has no headlights. We got it like that. But the only casualty, we broke the damn bumper, and that's kind of why I wanted the car, because my car didn't have a bumper. But we broke the bumper. Other than that, it's a pretty damn clean car. I'm probably gonna swap these wheels, put new tires on it. But this peanut, oh shit, we got the fucking leopard print. What? We got that leopard print. Anyways, interior's clean as hell. So a lot of this interior is going in my daily. Yeah, this car looks good, but you know what? Mine comes first. This is just a parts car. Has a blown engine, so we're gonna start swapping some parts on some of the other builds. Not bad for what we got it for, so I can't really complain. But yeah, freaking made it. A little bonus clip for you guys. Hope you enjoy.